Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another freshly minted Fantom Edge. I'm here with a very special guest, Bogdan from CryptoDo. How you doing, my friend?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you for inviting for this
Of course,
for this event. Yeah.
of course, man. I want to thank you for taking the time. I know you're building. You say you've been working all day. I won't take too much time away from you because I want to make sure you go back to building and getting some rest as well. So, but let's get started, man. I want you to kind of introduce yourself a bit and tell us how you actually got into the space of crypto.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Bogdan, and I am the CEO and founder of CryptoDo. And what about my first learning about crypto? It was in 2017 or 2018 when it was a huge hype around ICOs, and it was really interesting at this time. And but but it was not really good experience, and I lost almost all my money. But
Yeah.
it was really great, and I don't I didn't give up, and I continue to learn. And maybe in 2018, 2019, I decided to stop being just learning, and I start building my own team. I start uh, we create a blockchain outsourcing development team, and we build through years hundreds of products and crypto. It's something like simple tokens, NFT collections, DAOs, and etc. etc. A lot of use cases, and it's really exciting for me to build something in crypto. And in 2020/2021,
Mhm.
we decided to automate our internal business processes in our blockchain outsourcing business, and we built the first version of CryptoDo is
Yeah.
a service to automation the smart contract building process. But I think we'll talk about it in the next questions, maybe.
Yeah, yeah, of course. No, and I'm happy that you mentioned that you came in as like a user, right? But you didn't give up. I mean, I think you came in during a I think it was another bear market in 2018, if I remember correctly. Because that's kind of when I kind of jumped in as well. So I commend your hard work and for staying here. And yes, the next question I have for you, can you explain what CryptoDo is and who it's for?
Yeah, of course. And a little bit about the bear market. I think it's not bad actually, because the bear market, it's a
Mhm.
great opportunity to product builders build something without huge hype, without some pressure from the market. And
Yeah,
for example, at this time, it's really easy to communicate with huge blockchains, blockchain foundation, and it's easy to you to go to Fantom Foundation, for example, and
yeah,
say, "Hey guys, we just built a cool dApps for Fantom. Let's
yeah,
make something together." And if you build in bear market, it's really good time to build something cool and prepare to next bull run, because in bull
absolutely.
market it'll be a lot of projects scam one day pump and dump product, and you'll be really cool in this time because you already make some preparation. And so
Absolutely.
about, yeah, thank you. About CryptoDo. CryptoDo is a no-code builder of Web3 solution for business. I can make an analogy with Web2 space. I think a lot of people knows about a product like Bubble or
Yeah,
WordPress. It's no code builders of Web2 applications and websites, and we create the same thing, but for crypto. And in CryptoDo, you can launch your Web3 applications based on smart contracts in a few clicks, in 5 minutes, without any coding skills. Our goal is accelerate mass adoption of blockchain technology, because
yeah,
by introducing a simple way to creating Web3 infrastructure for everyone. You just need some ideas. For example, I want to build my ERC20 tokens with staking smart contracts and build a DAO up to this product, and you can easily create this thing on our platform on CryptoDo.
Yeah, from someone who's familiar with Bubble and WordPress, that's kind of how I got in. Well, even before that, like getting more like Squarespace or Wix too. It's very interesting to and very cool to see companies being built on the Web3 side, very similar, like you mentioned. Now, you've recently integrated with Fantom, so congratulations. You did let me know that there was a positive reaction and there's some dApps being built. Can you talk a little bit about that, the reaction from the Fantom community, as well as what kind of dApps are being built right now?
Yeah, sure. So, as you say, we launched our product in Fantom network maybe a couple of weeks ago, and it was really exciting to see to see huge support from Fantom community, because for this short period of time, our users and Fantom community guys created more than 10,000 smart contracts into testnet Fantom, and dozens of smart contracts, Web3 apps in mine network Fantom, and it's really huge results, and
Yeah.
we're really excited about these numbers. And yeah, first of all, thank you,
Yeah.
thank you for your activity. It was really cool. And about most common types of smart contracts we're making, it's I think it's in most cases ERC20 tokens, NFT
Mm,
collections, um, staking solution, blockchain lottery actually, and
yeah.
DAO organizations in the smart contracts.
Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, first of all, that's a big positive reaction from the community to be using CryptoDo to kind of launch these dApps, right? And I think it's a great way too for people to get encouraged, for like people like me, right? I'm non-technical. I wouldn't be able to deploy a smart contract because one, I don't know how to code, and two, I probably wouldn't have the time, right? And the learning curve. So it's very impressive to see people launching these dApps using CryptoDo to either experiment, learn, and actually maybe hopefully build a sustainable business from. Now,
Yeah, absolutely.
yeah, the next question I have for you is what's your perspective on mass adoption? Can something like CryptoDo help that? Or what's your kind of personal perspective on how that could be aided?
Uh, yeah, actually, mass adoption of blockchain technology worldwide, it's one where it's my goal for us, for our team, CryptoDo, and
Yeah.
actually, it's every product want to attract millions and hundreds of millions users to our Web3 products, but uh, it's important to understand what it's really difficult task, and um, it's really difficult, but we don't have this goal in CryptoDo. Understand what our missions, our I don't know. Our goal is attract tens of thousands builders, and
Yeah.
these builders will be building on CryptoDo, and we will build a lot of Web3 applications, and we attract with hundreds of millions users, because it's easy when there are
Mhm.
hundreds and thousands and hundreds of thousands new dApps in the market, and
Mhm.
it's our it's our vision on mass adoption, and it's our goal to attract
Yeah.
builders and make it and help them build, help them with some marketing activities for our dApp gallery, and yeah, I think it's
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely an uphill battle, especially depending if we want to talk about like regional activity, right? We won't get into it, but obviously like the US, right? The current climate here in the US where I live is very tense between, agencies against crypto companies. So it's very interesting how mass adoption could be a thing of it could be a thing of regions, right? Maybe one part of the world is adopting faster, but I think at the end of the day, obviously it's clear crypto's not going anywhere. And it's going to be a matter of time of when regulation catches up. So we'll see what happens. Before I let you go, Bogdan, I'm curious to know, what are you personally bullish on for the coming years?
Uh, Yeah, about this topic, I think one next big thing in Web3 crypto world is its infrastructure and
Mm,
good user experience, user-friendly interfaces. For example, I'm really bullish on Web3 wallets like
mm,
Trust Wallet, because it's if you control gate to Web3, you control Web3, and I think in the next 5 years will be a really huge growth of infrastructure, because even today it's not really simple for average users to use crypto, because you should learn about private key, public key, seed, secret phrase, and it's difficult, and it's uh, and if but I know what a lot of good blockchain teams already work on these problems, and it will be really important for mass adoption to make cool infrastructure, cool integrating tools,
mhm.
cool infrastructure for connecting with blockchain protocols, and good wallets. And no, and of course I believe in CryptoDo and
Yeah.
our infrastructure creating solution.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, man, it's gonna be very exciting. Always like to get people's perspective on what they're bullish on, what they're keeping an eye on. Infrastructure is obviously such a big role in this space due to the fact that that's what we need to function, right? Yeah, I'm very excited for that as well, and I'm very excited for your success. I think it's gonna be very pivotal in how people build, how people think about deploying dApps, and like I said earlier, build businesses, which is for the greater good. So Bogdan, thank you so much for taking the time today to chat with me. Once again, congratulations on your integration with Fantom, and I'm very excited to see that the community is receiving you with open arms and going straight into building. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, thank you again for inviting me. It
Of,
was really interesting to talk with you. Thank you.
of course, hopefully we get to chat again in the coming months to see where you're at and your current success. Take care, man.
Yeah, I think you'll see huge progress and huge success in CryptoDo and Phantom.
Of course, man. You take care, all right?